In this video, I'm going to show you one hidden TradingView indicator. If you use it in a perfect way, then you can catch very good scalping signals. Like you can see, it was a sell signal, buy and sell. And the good thing is that this indicator is completely free to use on TradingView. I will explain you that how you can make the maximum from this indicator without any lag, and you can cover up a very good percentage of winning signals with no problem. Actually, this indicator is working on all assets, and today I will tell you that how you can utilize it at the maximum. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that what indicator it is. And so for this, you need to go on TradingView and you need to write Lopez, Lopez. Okay, so Lopez. When you will write Lopez, then this indicator will come. That is called Turbo Lopez trend indicator by some ultra billy, and you can see it has only 90 likes so far. So how you can utilize it? Let me tell you that when you are going to use it, then you will be going to use it with the trend. So for example, if I make the trend line from here to here, so sorry, this is not the right trend line. Let me remove this one and let me put the trend line again. Okay, so for example, I'm catching the bottoms. Okay, so for example, this was the trend line. Okay, this was the trend line, and what you see from this trend line, you can clearly see that the price was simply moving into the upward direction. Okay, so now what you have seen that from the trend line you got a buy signals, and you will simply ignore the sell signals when the price is above the trend line. Yes, when the price is going to break the trend line, then you can consider that sell signal. Okay, but always use a proper stop loss. Like if the price is reversing back to that area, so for example, let's say if you have taken a sell position from here and your stop loss was above the trend line like this, and the price hits your stop loss, then simply you need to exit your trade. There is no need to hold more, because I'm on the gold chart, and you know gold is very much bullish. Every time it pull backs into the bullish trend. Okay, but just imagine that if you are just taking the buy signals, then you at least making a very good profit from the scalping trades. Okay, now, let me tell you one more thing. So, for example, this was the continuous uptrend that was going, and there was a sell signal, and the price breaks below the trend line. Then you caught this sell signal, and you can see the price dropped up to here. Okay, so on the break of the trend line, you can take the opposite signal, otherwise, it is not required. Okay, and when the price is flowing into the one direction, then keep on putting your trades into the one direction. For example, this is the bullish trend line, like you can see, and the price is making a pullback from the buy signals from the trend line area. Okay, now one more thing that I want to deliver in this video, that when the signal is far from the trend line, like the buy signal is far from the trend line, then do not pick those signals. Exactly, you need to follow the signals which are near to the trend line, and then you will expect the upward move in that case. Okay, now for example, again you will understand my concept. The price was bullish here, it was completely going bullish, and then suddenly we have seen that what happened. Just look at this trend line. If I extend that part, so what you see, the price breaks below the trend line, and then this sell signal has worked perfectly well. Okay, now why this sell signal has went perfectly well? The answer is very simple. Basically, the retail traders are buying on the trend line, and what they are doing, they are setting up their stop losses just below these levels. So this signal worked because first of all the trend line was broken, and this signal works because the liquidity was available on the lower side, and after picking the liquidity, then you can see after hitting the stop losses of the retail traders, the price was reversed. Okay, so use the free indicator but with the technical knowledge. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. So for example, this is the complete downward trend that is going on. Okay, but now if I extend the trend line, so for sorry, if I extend that trend line, so what do you see? If I extend that trend line, so you can see that what's happening, the price is breaking above. Okay, so why it's breaking above? Because now the stop losses are available on the upper side, and actually the price is targeting these stop losses. Okay, so on the break of the structure of the trend line, then you can take a valid trade. Otherwise, you will be selling from the retracements, and all you just need is to wait for the, if there is a trend line, like for example, If this trend line is bearish, then what you need to do, simply when the price will come to the trend line, you got a sell signal, the moving average is into the red color, go and take a sell position. Okay, and let me tell you that after 2 to 3 touches of the trend line becomes weak. So you should be very careful on the next touches, because it might not work, because when we are talking about the trend line structures, then normally 2 to 3 touches are very important for us, and after that it gets weak. So for example, look at this. The trend line was created, the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, and after the third touch, you can see the price eventually breaks into the upward side. Okay, so try your best to trade on the second touch, third touch, and then the trend will get expired, and this is how the practical markets work. So for example, this trend was bullish completely. Okay, now let's see how many touches are there. Okay, so this is the continuation, and then one touch and the second touch, and then after the second touch you can see the trend line becomes weak and the price moves to the opposite side. So this is how the practical markets work, and this is the free indicator that you can simply use. And if you want to get the lifetime version of my private indicator, that is called the market turning points or the bank indicator, you can check my website, and it provides you with the real time buy and sell levels. And this is the highly accurate indicator that is available based on the price action. And if you want to book the lifetime version of my powerful indicator like market turning points or bank indicator, you can contact through telegram or email. Links are in the description. Thank you.